Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Artfolio Gallery. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of mastering pencil shading of a kid's dress. If you're new to my channel or a beginner in the world of art, I highly recommend checking out episode 7, where we cover essential shading techniques with pencils. You can find the link in the description box below. Step 1, Dress Outline. Lightly sketch the basic outline of the child's dress. Emphasize the silhouette and style of the dress. Step 2, Identify light source. Determine the direction of the light source for your drawing. This will guide the placement of shadows and highlights. Step 3, Shade base. Begin shading the entire dress with a light base layer. This sets the foundation for more detailed shading. Step 4, Shadows and folds. Identify areas where shadows naturally fall, such as under folds and seams. Shade these areas, paying attention to the form of the dress. Step 5, Highlights. Leave highlighted areas where the light hits the dress most directly. Focus on edges, folds, and any raised details. Step 6, Texture and patterns. If the dress has a specific texture or pattern, add shading accordingly. Use controlled strokes to create the desired fabric texture. Step 7, Ruffles and details. Add shading to any ruffles or decorative details on the dress. Pay attention to the depth and intricacies of these elements. Step 8, Blending. Use a blending tool or your fingers to gently blend the shading for a smoother transition between light and shadow. Step 9, Refinement. Review your shading and refine any areas that need adjustment. Ensure a balanced distribution of light and shadow. Step 10, Final touches. Add any final details, such as buttons, bows, or other embellishments. Evaluate the overall appearance of the shaded dress. That's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and leaving a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.